Mapapalaban na naman ang ating pambatong si Prince ALBERT Pagara. Ito ay sa bansang Russia. Isang di-kalibring boksingero ang kanyang makakaharap. Olympic gold medalist, IBA champion at undefeated bilang professional boxer. May record na 11 wins, 8 dito tinapos via knockout. Isang knockout artist itong Russian na si ALBERT BATYRGAZIEV. Kaya naman pagdating sa talpakan ay sobrang dihado ni kabayan. Di na masyadong aktibong boksingero itong si ALBERT Pagara, habang mas bata at aktibong boksingero itong Ruso. Sa tingin ninyo mga pre, may pag-asa kayang manalo itong si Prince ALBERT Pagara kontra sa undefeated champion at knockout artist na pambato ng Russia? Sa mga di nakakaalam, ay may nakalaban na din itong si ALBERT Pagara na kinakatakutan noon ng karamihan dahil bukod sa champion ito ay knockout artist din. May record na 27 wins, 23 dito tinapos via knockout. Ito ay si William Gonzalez. Pero di umubra sa tibay ni Pagara itong knockout artist na si Gonzalez. Durog ang inabot nito sa ating pambato. 2 beses bumagsak sa laban.
Ayun! Narinig ka!
Kaya bago ang labang ALBERT Pagara kontra pambato ng Russia, ang defending champion at knockout artist si ALBERT BATYRGAZIEV, balikan muna natin ang laban ni kabayan kontra knockout artist na si William Gonzalez.
Junior Featherweight Championship. Si Gonzalez, nakaputi. Oh, kapatid niya Gonzalez. Yeah, very aggressive. And niya, matagal na siyang hindi lumaban. His first fight.
Very good count.
Nakadalawang knockout win na po tayo.
Very good count. He's aiming for a good counter. But you see what he should be is be patient.
Big test for him. Oh, nice, solid.
The intensity when they put together.
Nakakatakot no nito.
Very good counter.
Sabi nga
Good
nila.
strength. Incredible power.
Oh,
Good
wow,
left hook. Good counter.
Oy.
Good counter.
Ako kailangan mag-beat.
Headbutts. Mafe-feel more pa rin yun eh. Kahit na natamaan ka. In terms of overall talent, mas maganda itong... Oh, he rocked them with that.
Left. Oh,
good
wow,
straight.
solid straight.
Very good straight. I've seen machine.
I know.
Very good straight.
Away
And he's trying to counter with that hook. Good body shot.
Woo!
Although, oh, good. He's finding the rhythm. He's finding the rhythm.
Kasama si Nonito Donaire. Nalalap. Medyo nag-iingat.
Nag-iingat silang dalawa.
Prince Albert. Oh, nakapako. Ganda.
Very good, talented. Pag may power ka,
Yeah.
there's always a chance of winning.
Yes. Pinoy kontra Latino. Oh.
Oh, being live, maririnig mo talaga. Oh, very good straight and very good left hook.
Tapang talaga. Oh, wow, solid right.
For another counter. He's executing it beautifully.
Malapitan laban to, no?
Albert, bring it up, Albert.
Again, body spot muna ng lakas, ano?
Albert, you gotta bring it up, Albert.
You know, I'm inspired watching Albert train.
Oh, down. Oh, that was a clear
5-minute
knockdown.
clock. Okay.
That was a clear knockdown. It's just that
Okay.
He
Albert, hey, get over there. No, get over there.
go ang takbo ng fight because of that. O medyo maagang aggressive si Gonzalez.
Let him go, Albert. Let him go.
Round 2.
oh, good combination.
Kombinasyon mula kay Prince Albert.
Ganda ng combination. Upper,
Wow.
body, head.
Up and down.
And this Gonzalez is very tough.
Taga Nicaragua.
Good straight.
So good and so good.
The good thing for Pagara is ang taas ng yung kamay niya, yung defense is high.
Yun nga sinasabi nyo, no? That defense ay Pagara. Gonzalez. Oh!
Beautiful straight.
Naman, mga
But
power
good counter
shots.
back.
Ilang beses nang lumaban dito sa Amerika si Gonzalez. So definitely more experience.
Good uppercut.
Good uppercut from Pagara.
Ang ganda ng style ni Pagara is kahit sumusuntok yung kalaban, kasi nakikita mo, he goes over to the head. Tingnan mo. He throws in the back of the head. Good. Very good.
Whoa!
Definitely an entertaining fight.
Yes! Pinoy.
Cuidado ka na kabisa.
Good one. Trying to slow down in terms of his power. He loves that. Oh, that was a good hook. But there was a
Time.
low blow.
Round 4 na po tayo para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship.
Feeling
good
out.
exchange.
Good body shot. But he's very strong.
Yeah.
He is a very dangerous opponent.
Ngayon, very dangerous.
Pacing himself.
Has to keep his composure dito sa unang laban niya sa Amerika. Prince Albert sparked a lot of Olympic hopefuls at sa wildcard gym sa LA. Mahigit isang buwan sila dito sa si Gonzalez.
I think that's what's missing.
Habang reach niya no, Gonzalez. Yun, no, yung jab niya.
Good one too. And counter. And not get too aggressive. Just counter, look at his opponent's move. Just like that. No, yan lang. One place. Pagkatapos ng sundok. Again, behind the ears for Gonzalez. Oh, good,
Pagara
good
looking for
hook.
a strong finish.
Oh, good overhand.
But,
Time to finish. Good round.
right.
Each other out. Pagara throwing the jabs, which is good because that sets up his patience and his 1-2. But then mahirap din. Oh, good counters. Good one, too.
Else.
To Ronnie Nathaniels, we love you, man.
Yeah, miss you.
And I know you're coaching me right now.
Oh,
Good
wow.
over. Oh, he had him. He had him.
Whoa! Rocked him.
He got him good. That was good overhand
Yun
again.
na naman.
And he's gonna do it again. Good mix-up. Hindi lang yung over. He's going under. Good left
naman.
hook.
Solid yun. Oh,
He's finishing him.
right, left.
He's finishing him now. If the ref is gonna step in if he doesn't patient that he's showing.
Crowd loves it.
Good overhand. Nakita mo, hilong-hilo na to si Alejo, ay, si Gonzalez.
Yeah. Pero ngayon,
But he
malaban
still
pa rin.
fights.
Now this is what the
I'm impressed. Good overhand. Gonna counter with the hook.
body shot naman, nakaka.
He's watching for a finishing move. He's
Last 10
stalking
seconds.
patiently with the hook. Hits him with the hook. Looking for that hook. There you go on the hook in the straight.
Solid left, right naman. Woo! Oops.
Corner, be quiet.
A cut from a punch.
Yung kay Gonzalez as a professional, diyan nakukuha ang kanyang kumpiyansa na nakikita niyo sa ring.
Good counter hook.
Yan, sumisigaw ang mga Pinoy dito sa Starbucks Center. Pagka-kingkoy rin itong si Albert, no?
That you lack the now. Again, that burning.
niya, no?
Yes, and still fighting. He's
What a heart.
actually winning this round. Right.
Ayun!
1-2.
Narinig ka! Narinig ka! Wow!
Cinco.
Just the patience.
Amazing
Kid.
patience
That's
ni Albert Pagara. Believe ako. Believe. Ay, it's
Gonzalez is
over!
done.
Woo!
Pagara victorious.
Wow, naiiyak sa saya si Prince Albert.
He is
Grabe.
very impressive.